Did you know that your Tesla Model 3 can actually record security footage while you're away? But only if you give it a fast, reliable SSD that can keep up. Most drives just aren't built for that kind of task. Today, we're ranking the top 5 SSDs for your Tesla Model 3. From solid performers to the absolute best pick for Sentry Mode, dashcam storage, and more. All the links are in the description, so check them out while we break this down. On number 5. Samsung T7 Portable SSD. The Samsung T7 1TB is like the sleek, stylish SSD that checks most of the boxes for casual users. Fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds up to 1050 MB/s, a lightweight metal build, and solid AES 256 hardware encryption. In real life, it keeps up well with daily Tesla dashcam and Sentry Mode demands, but here's the rub. Sustained, large file transfers eventually slow down due to its dramless design. It also lacks water or dust protection, which puts it behind tougher drives like the T7 Shield and SanDisk Extreme. It's cheaper than many on this list, and if you're not too worried about extreme conditions or hammering it with gigabytes of footage daily, it's a dependable and polished option. But for rugged use or consistent high performance, others in this lineup pull ahead. Number 3. SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This drive is built like a tank in a shirt pocket. The SanDisk Extreme 500GB isn't just fast, up to 1050 MB/s, but also IP65 rated, drop tested, and built for life on the move. It edges out the Samsung T7 when it comes to durability and has similar security features with AES 256 encryption. Compared to the T7 Shield, it's lighter and slightly more compact, but not quite as beefy in long-term sustained performance. Some users have reported reliability issues after extended use, though, which knocks it down a peg. It's the sweet spot between ruggedness, price, and performance, but it's not immune to hiccups. For anyone in dusty or rough environments who wants a trusted name and decent speed, it still earns its spot. On number 2. Samsung T7 Shield. The T7 Shield is what happens when Samsung listens to feedback and levels up the original T7 with ruggedness in mind. This 1TB version brings IP65 water and dust resistance, shock protection, and better sustained speeds than its sleeker sibling. It's a bit heavier, sure, but that rubberized shell can take a drop or two without flinching. And the real-world usage, whether that's in a Tesla, on a camera rig, or traveling between shoots, proves it's more consistent under stress than the standard T7 or the SanDisk Extreme. It may not reach crucial X10 Pro speeds, but it nails the balance of durability, speed, and ease of use. If you want plug-and-play simplicity with serious resilience, this is your go-to. On number 1. Crucial X8 Portable SSD. Taking the top spot is the Crucial X8 1TB, and here's why. It combines near-peak USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds with a solid aluminum build and an excellent price-to-performance ratio. You get real-world transfer rates close to 1000 MB/s, cross-pegular compatibility with basically everything, including Tesla systems, and even decent drop resistance. While it doesn't have built-in encryption or an IP rating like the T7 Shield or SanDisk Extreme, its sustained speeds outperform the T7 in most daily Tesla tasks. Compared to the Crucial X10 Pro, it's more budget-friendly and doesn't require fancy ports. For the majority of Tesla owners who want speed, durability, and affordability in one reliable package, the X8 just makes the most sense overall. So, which one wins? The Crucial X8 takes the crown for its all-round balance of speed, build, compatibility, and price. If you want the best performance and can handle a higher price tag and rare port requirements, the Crucial X10 Pro is a powerhouse. But for most people, the X8 gets the job done beautifully. What do you think? Would you pick durability over speed? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and don't forget, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.